Right. Sir, in the last videos, I think we completed up to the program number 18, which is nothing but trailing zeros of a factorial. How you can calculate the trailing zeros, we completed very clear. Now, in today's session, we are going to do the remaining programs. I think so we will complete by today these programs. What is the next one that we have? Iterative power. Iterative power. Sir, power means we know very well x to the power y we have to calculate. Sir, don't feel that it is x cap y. As of now, you have to consider it is x to the power y. Sir. Iterative power we need to calculate. Sir, for this we have multiple methods are there. Okay. Otherwise, instead of iterative power, better to write it as so x to the power y, x to the power y. Suppose if input is 2 and y is 3, x is 2 and y is 3, 2 power 3 is nothing but 8. This one we have to calculate. Sir, how to do this? We have various approaches are there. Okay, directly I will explain by taking the code for this program. Okay, yes. So let us go with reading of x value from the user. So I am taking int of input of, so enter x value. Okay, now after this I'm going to read the value of a y. So enter y value. So after this what we have to do, you need to print in a formatted string saying, sir, my x is equal to x. Okay, comma, y is equal to, sir, my y and x to the power, x to the power, x to the power y is, sir, I'm calculating by using a function. So I will define one function called power. So power version 1 I am taking, where I'm going to pass the value of x and then y. Okay, sir, that's all right. We have to define a function called power version 1, where it is going to take x and then y value. In the first version I'm going for the normal approach. Okay, I'm going for the normal approach. Normal approach means what? I will consider my result is equal to initially 1, that is iterative power. Then for each I value in the range of, for each I value in the range of y. Okay, y, I think it is going to start from 0, right? That's why better to take from 1. So 1 to y it will take each and every value. Okay, 1 to y it is going to take each and every value. So what we have to do here, your power is equal to, that is your result is equal to already available result into x, that we have to multiply, and at last we have to return the value of results. So let us see how it is going to work with the help of a small diagram. Let's consider x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. Okay, x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. Like this we have. Sir, here, what is the value of y? It is a 3. For I value in the range of 1 comma 3, that means what? It will generate the values 1 comma, so 2 comma 3, right? I think we need to take the including value of 3. If you want to take
Y plus
including the value of 3, then you need to take y plus 1. Okay, I think we are not multiplying this y, right? If you want, you can take 0 also, no problem, or else you can take here 0 comma y also, no issues, because we are not multiplying with that I. Okay, that's why you can take no problem at all. So every time what we are doing, my default result is nothing but 1. So when it is executing first time, I am multiplying this result with 2. So 2 into 1 will become 2. Next time I am multiplying this result with x. X value is 2. 2 into 2, 4. Sir, I am multiplying the same thing third time. So 4 into 2, which will become 8. Okay, this is nothing but iterative approach. Sir, we have other approaches are there. For this I am taking version 2. In version 2, sir, do you know in Python we have one special operator is also there for calculating x to the power y. What is that operator? So here x double star y also we can take. And even so we have other version other version is also there. So in math class there is one power operator is also there. If you want to work with this math module, then we have to import math modules. Like we have three versions are there. Still recursion version is also there. Even by using bitwise operators also we can do. Bitwise operators we can use, and even do fast exponential calculation is also there. Those things I will explain the bit manipulations. Okay. Now let us check whether it is working properly or not. Sir, enter x value 2, y value 3. Sir, everything is perfect but except the last one. Remember carefully, this math dot power function is going to return always floating point value. But we have type conversion function is there, right? By using this type conversion function, you can convert it into respective types. Suppose if I am giving 10 and then 4, have you observed we are getting 10,000? Okay. Sir, do you know this calculation a bit fast also we can able to do by using bitwise operators. Don't worry, when I am covering bitwise operators, I mean bit manipulations, I will explain this formula. Within fraction of seconds it is going to calculate, because that is our main motto, right? To reduce the number of comparisons and to reduce the time and space complexities, we are moving to these TS, right? So that's why with respect to time and space, there is one separate chapter is there. There I will discuss in detail about this. Can you please confirm everyone how to calculate x to the power y by using these algorithms? Is it clear for you people?
Sir, first, can you explain?
First one.
Yes, yes, first.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. See here, here consider the value of x is equal to, I am taking for example, consider 4 I am giving, and the value of y is equal to 2. That means what? We are supposed to calculate 4 square value. What is a 4 square value? 16, right? This I need to calculate. So initially my result is equal to 1, and for each I value in the range of 1 to y plus 1. That means what? 1. What is a y value? 2. 2 plus 1 means 3. So 1 to 3 means what will be the value of I? It will become 1 2. Okay, that's all right. So even if you want, you can take 0 comma y. Y value is what? 2. Then what will be the values? 0 comma 1. Anyway, we are not using I further. That's why no problem. It is going to work two times. It is going to work two times. When I is equal to 1, then what will happen? Result is equal to already available result into x. Already available result is 1. 1 into x, 4 into 1, which will become 4. Second time, result is equal to previous result is 4. 4 into x, 4 into 4, 16. That's all. Even in this case also same situation, right? Like that we can calculate x to the power y. Clear? I request everyone to please
Yes, sir.
confirm. Clear up to this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right. Right. So now the next program, what we have, sum of digits. So sum of digits, how you can calculate sum of digits present in the given number. So it is a very simple. It is a very simple. I am going to take a number n, enter any number, enter n value. So we have to calculate sum of digits. The value of n is equal to n we are printing, and so sum of digits is, I'm going to calculate a sum version 1. I'm going to pass the value of n. Sir, in first version what we are doing, already we know very well how you can able to divide the digits, right? Somewhere in the beginning we covered. Initially I am going to take my sum is equal to 0 until the value of n is not equal to 0. I am trying to fetch the digits one by one, and I will add that digit to this sum. and n will become n double slash 10. That's all. Finally, return the sum. Sir, very simple, right? How it is going to work? Have a look once. I think I already explained this. If the number is equal to 123, so sum is equal to initially 0, and the first time n is equal to 123, which is not equal to 0. So your digit will become 3. I'm not going in details, sir, because all these operations I explained already. Sum is equal to, what is the previous sum? 0. 0 plus 3 will become 3. That I am updating here. And your next n value will become 12. And the next time, since it is a loop, it is not equal to 0, your digit will become 2, and sum is equal to, previous sum is 3, 3 plus 2 will become 5. So that I am updating here, and your n value will become 1. So next, when n is equal to 1, condition is satisfied, which is not equal to 0, your digit will become 1, and the sum is equal to, previous sum is 5, 5 plus 1 is nothing but 6, and your n value will become 0. When n is equal to 0, it is going to stop. Sir, sum of these numbers will become what, sir? 6, right? That's all. Very simple logic. So let us execute up to this. Really, is it working or not? We need to cross check. If the number is 123, sum of digits is 6. Sir, do we have any other approach for solving this problem? Yes, we can use list comprehension also. Sir, maybe you people know very well about this. Sir, I am taking DEF. I am going to take a sum version 2. I am taking n. I need to convert this n into a list format. So first I am converting this string. Okay, I am converting this value into string. Now I will take, for each I value in this, I will try to convert into integer. Okay, and I will put it in a list. I will put it in a list. Now what I am going to do, there is one predefined function is there called sum. It will calculate sum of the elements present in the list, and I am going to return that like this. Sir, I will explain this. Observe carefully. If the same input n is equal to 123, if we are giving, sir, I am converting this into string. So why we are converting this into a string? Because you need to get in the form of a sequence, then only you can able to iterate one by one, right? So now we are getting the values one by one, and I am going to frame it in a list by converting into integer. 1, I am converting into integer. 2, I am converting into integer. 3, I am converting into integer. Like that, I am converting into integer. Then I am going to store it in a list. So we have a sum function is there. It will automatically calculate some of this. Let's run the code. Is it going to work? I'm giving 123. Yes, in both the cases, we are getting perfectly 10982. A sum of digits is nothing but 20. This is the way, sir, how to calculate sum of digits present in the given number. I think you people got clarity about this program in both versions. Everyone, can you please confirm? Is it clear up to this?
Sir, can you repeat second method?
Sir, second method, here you can able to see, first we are taking the number in the form of an integer. So do you know, from the integer we can't extract, we can't take it as a sequence, sir, because it is not iterable object. So we can't fetch the digits one by one. If I want to get the digits one by one, I am converting this into a string. I am converting this one into a string so that we can get the individual digits. We can get the individual digits in the form of string. So what I'm doing here, I'm converting every digit, every character from this string into integer, so that this 4 will be an integer, converted into integer, converted into integer. Now I have a list is there. There is a special function called sum. If you pass this list, it will return sum of elements present in this list. So in this, we are converting the given input into string. From this, we are getting the characters one by one. Again, I am converting into integer, and I am framing in the list, and I am applying some function. Got it? Except Rukesh Singh and a few people are responding in the audio mode. but maximum students, there is no response from your side.
Got it, sir.
It's
Yeah.
clear, sir.
Got it, sir.
Right.
So let's say if you are not putting str, then what will be the return of it?
We will get error, sir, because you can't sir, some disturbance is there from your side. So we can't get the values one by one, right? If it is a number type, it is not iterable object. It is going to tell syntactical mistake because n is a integer type. You can't extract the digits one by one. If I am giving 123, you can see int object is not iterable. You can't get the value one by one by one. Right. So let's go for next program. Sir, it is similar to this one. Sum of even digits. Sum of even digits. So same program. I'm not going to do any modifications. I mean, small modifications. When we have to do this operation, if your digit percentage 2 is equal to 0, then try to add some. And here also, you can check the condition. If int of I is there, right? If it is divisible by 2, select only such a type of elements. If the input is 1, 2, 3, 4, so first it will take the first character, that is 1. It will convert it into integer. And it will check whether it is divisible by 2. No, then it won't select. So this for loop is going to select all the items which are divisible by 2. So now let us calculate a sum of even digits. Sum of even digits. Let's check whether it is going to work or not. 1, 2, 3, 4 I am giving. Okay. Have you observed somewhere I have to convert this into string? So now I am giving 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see sum of even digits is nothing but 6 and 6. Sum of even digits is nothing but we are getting 6 and 6. Okay. Like this we are going to get. Right. Let us copy paste this. And I think same concept is used for calculating sum of odd digits also, right? How to calculate for sum of odd digits? Same logic I am taking, but a small modification is not equal to 0, and here also not equal to 0. Sir, 1 second, please wait. Yeah, right. So here I'm going to take sum of odd digits. So let's give the same input 1, 2, 3, 4. What output we are getting? Sum of odd digits 1 plus 3, which is nothing but 4. 1 plus 3, which is nothing but 4. Like we are getting sum of odd digits present in the given number. Like this we are going to get. Okay. Sir, do you have any doubts up to this sum of even digits and sum of odd digits present in the given number? Can you please confirm clear up to this?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Clear, sir.
Clear, sir.
Right.
Sir,
Right,
I have
good.
one doubt, sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, you are calculating that sum of even player position digits, sir, or sum
No,
of
no, no. Even digits, not even position digits. We are calculating sum of even digits.
okay, sir.
It will take the digit and it will check whether that digit is even digit or odd digit. So position related programs also we have that we will discuss later. Right. Shantanu is asking workflow of list comprehension. I think already I discussed list comprehension. You are my Python student. Okay, you should not ask this question. But anyway, don't worry. We have Python inbuilt data structures are there, right? There I will explain in detail. Okay. Again, a topic will come. There I will discuss. Right. So sum of prime digits. Workflow means what? The flow of execution. That's all. Nothing more than that. So sum of prime digits. Sir, same program, right? Same program. How you can able to change the logic here? Here sum of prime digit, and here I'm going to take sum of prime digits. The only thing is nothing but, sir, here you have to check whether that digit is equal to either 2 or 3 or 5 or 7, right? These are the prime numbers, right? So 2, 3, 5, 7. Is it correct? So 1 is not prime, 4 is not a prime, 6 is not a prime, 8 is not prime, 9 is not prime. Yes. So we are extracting the digits. So the prime digits are only these 4, right? Then it is going to calculate. Sir, how I am writing in a list comprehension? We are not required to take. Or if you want, you can take this entire thing here, but I don't want to write a big code. I want to simplify. If your I value is in, sir, 2, 3, 5, 7, that's all. I'm not converting into integer. So first time, if you are getting any digit, it is a string. I'm checking whether that character is there in this string or not. If it is available, it will convert it into integer and it will frame in a list. Okay, like this we can apply, I mean we can calculate a sum of prime digits in this style, sir. Okay, we can calculate a sum of prime digits in this style. So let us execute really whether we are getting the output or not. 1 2 3 4 5, sum of prime digits 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 5 is nothing but a 10. Like this we can calculate sum of prime digits present in the given number. Okay, I think it is very clear for you people, friends. Please confirm clear up to this.
But sir, in this you have put the condition, you have hard coded that condition. How if the dynamically means how this D you are explicitly have given some values.
Uh, see,
If
see, see, see.
randomly if
No, no, no. We are not required to write any code for prime number checking, because we are checking. We are writing the program. Okay, we are writing the program to check whether the given digit is a prime. Actually, how many digits we will have? 0 to 9. Only 9 digits, 10 digits, right? In these 10 digits, only 4 digits are prime. That's why directly we can write. So if we are writing this, to check whether that digit is prime number or not, means it is unnecessary burden for the programmer, because we know, right? We have only 4 digits are there. If they are asking for the numbers, then you have to write a program. Here, prime digits means only 4 options. Okay.
okay.
Like vowel or consonant means we have only 5 options. We are not required to write any other code. So in the same way here, prime digits, not prime number. Prime number means we have to write. Prime digit, right? That's why we can write.
Got it. We are just checking only the digits, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
And in the second logic, you have used in operator and you have explicitly given in the format in the string. So it will check this, and we have another you have converted to the string only, str
No, no,
of
no.
n.
Str of n means first we have to convert the given number into string, right?
Okay.
Then we are getting the characters one by one. Prime digit means what? If that character is in this particular portion, then it will select that number and it will convert it into integer because we need some rights. So if they are asking only prime digits, then we can remove this integer, we can return this list.
No, sir. If I in 2357, so I is iterable, it's an integer, and after that it str
No,
of
no. I is not it. Yeah, I is iterable. Oh, yeah. Okay. Tell me.
if I in 235 it checks this number is over in this string or not. So str of n, can you just explain this?
This str of n will convert the given input into string. Suppose if the given input is 1, 2, 3, this function will convert it into 1, 2, 3 in the string format. It
Yes,
will take each and every digit. First time it will take 1.
one.
Is this 1 is there in this? No. Then it won't select that one. Is the
Okay,
2 is there in this? Yes. Then it
yes,
will select 2. By converting into
and
integer.
it's yeah.
So 3 is there here. So it will convert. So it will apply some function. Got it?
Okay, sir, I understand.
Right, sir. Right. The next application, prime number or not. We have to check whether the given number is a prime number or not. Okay. Sir, I want to explain two conditions, I mean two logics for this. So let's take enter n value. Okay, let's take n value and is it a prime? So it is a prime. It is a prime. Okay, I am going to call prime logic 1. Just I am passing n here. And in the second logic, I am going to take version to n comma n by 2. Two inputs I am going to take. Sir, what is the logic here is, listen carefully friends. Suppose if you take a number, okay, consider a number is there with 100. A number is there with 100. Okay, so if you have a number with 100, so is it a prime number or not? How you can able to check? We have to start dividing. Okay, we have to start dividing from 1 to, okay, from 1 to, we need to check up to 100. So I think we are not required to check up to 100 because if the number is prime number means you can check from 1 to 50. So if it is divisible, if it is a prime number, definitely, I mean, if it is divisible with any one of the number, so means if it is not a prime number, then definitely it is not a prime number even if you check with these numbers also. Just to reduce this number of comparisons, I am going to check half of the list. Anyway, I will take the program and I will demonstrate, don't worry at all. Sir, what is the first version here? I am going to define. So prime, okay, prime version 1 I am taking, where I am going to pass one integer n value I am going to pass. So after this, what we have to do, I am going to check the number of factors is nothing but 0. How many factors are there? We have 0 factors are there for the given number. Now for each I value in the range of 1 to n plus 1. So I will divide that number with I. If it is divisible, then factors is equal to factors plus 1. Like this, I am going to keep on adding. Sir, at last, I will return if a factors is equal to 2. Sir, I will explain this logic. Listen carefully. Consider the value of n is equal to. Consider the value of n is equal to. I am taking 7. So I want to divide this number with 1 to 7 plus 1. That means 8. We will get 1, 2. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Like with each and every number, it is going to check. Sir, is this n is divisible with 1? Is 7 is divisible with 1? Yes. Then your factors will become 0 to 1. Is it divisible by 2? No, we are not going to get the remainder as a 0. It is not divisible by 3. It is not divisible by 4. It is not divisible by 5. It is not divisible by 6, but it is divisible by 7. So factors will become 2. If a factors is equal to 2, then it is a prime number. If you take n is equal to 8, so we have to divide from 1, 2, 3, okay, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Is it divisible by 1? Yes, your factors will become 0 to 1. Is it divisible by 2? Yes. Is it divisible by 3? No. Is it divisible by 4? No. Yes. So here itself we can check the condition. Have you observed just now I told half of the condition is sufficient. Sir, if you remember, the value of n is equal to 8. So 8 by 2 is what? 4. You can check up to 4. You can check up to 4. Okay, like this also we can do. Worst case. Sir, now observe carefully. Is it divisible by 5? No. Is it divisible by 6? No. Is it divisible by 7? No. Is it divisible by 8? Yes. Sir, is it equal to 2? No. Then it is going to return false. Let us run the code. So,
Sir, but you are adding f equal to f plus 1.
version 2 is not defined. F is equal to f plus 1. Factors got incremented by 1 unit. You can see 7 is the prime. So 8 is not a prime. Like this we are going to get. Okay. Sir, another version here is nothing but DEF recursion I am taking. So prime version 2, here I am going to pass n and then I values. So here, if the value of I is equal to 1, directly we can return it is a true. So L if the value of n percentage I is equal to 0, then we can return it is not a prime number. In other cases, I'm going to return, okay, I'm going to return by passing, so prime function, prime version 2 function, same value I'm taking, but I'm going to assign I minus 1, okay, not I, yeah, I minus 1 I'm passing. Now listen carefully, first is it going to work or not, we will cross check. I'm giving 7, yes, it is a prime number. 8, it is not a prime number. How this second logic is going to work, have a look once. Suppose if your n is equal to 7. So I value will become what? N by 2. 7 by 2, which is nothing but 3. Sir, is I is equal to 1? No. Then is n is divisible with I? No. Then again it will be called by taking n is equal to 7. Your I value will become 2. And is I is equal to 1? No. So is n is divisible with 2? No. Then again it is going to call n comma, again it is going to call n comma I minus 1. Your I value will become 1. Now is I is equal to 1? Yes, return true. How many comparisons are required? 3 comparisons. But here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Like to reduce the number of comparison. If n is equal to 8. So what will be the value of I will become n by 2. That is nothing but 4. Here is the formula. Is I is equal to 1? No. Is n is divisible with I? Yes. Then immediately it will return false. How many comparisons? Only one comparison. But in this case, how many comparisons? 8 comparisons. Even if you take n is equal to 100, your I value will become 50. So if that n is divisible with I, yes, then it is not a prime number. Only one comparison is sufficient. But if you take n is equal to 100 with iterative, we require to write 100 times. I think you people got a clear clarity how this application is going to work. That is prime number application. Can you please confirm clear up to this?
Can you explain again? I didn't get this. Means your floor division you are using, n value is 7. So it's I, and then how it is become I equal to 3? Do not get this.
Sir, initially n is nothing but 7, sir.
7,
7 by 2 is what?
3.5.
But a floor division, right? Double slash means what?
3.
That's what I value is 3. So is I is equal to 1? No. Is n is divisible with I? No. Then we are calling the same function by passing n I minus 1. What is I value? 3. 3 minus 1 means 2. It will be called one more time. Is I is equal to 2? 1? No. Is n is divisible with 2? No. Then again it will be called for I minus 1. 2 minus 1, 1. If I is equal to 1, then it is clear. Don't worry, just try to understand that outline because we are going to have recursion concept. In the recursion, again I will demonstrate this prime number application.
Sir,
So
how
we have
I
to-
value become 3 means I didn't still I'm not get. You are passing n values as a 7 and n using. So how it is becoming in
Sir,
this you have
n
to,
by 2,
this is
second
3.
argument.
3. And then after that flow control come over here. The I value is not initialized.
Sir, here how many arguments are there for a function?
Two arguments.
First argument is nothing but this one.
Okay, okay,
Second argument is nothing but this one.
okay, okay, okay. You are giving reference to that. Right.
Right.
Understand.
Right. So this is nothing but how you can calculate prime number, how you can able to check whether the given number is prime number or not.
Sir,
Okay.
in this, can we check that loop how it has been counted? Because in the loop also, you in the while loop also you mentioned how much time this loop is getting executed.
How many times this loop is going to execute? N times it will execute.
And in the logic one, can we take directly because one is not a prime number, we can directly start from 2.
You can start from 2, but how you can count that factors?
Okay,
Okay.
okay, okay. So that in the return type you have given it means the it should be equal to 2 times factors.
Yeah.
Okay.
So do we require to put f equal to f plus 1? Anyhow, the range function will keep on incrementing by 1 only, right?
No. This f is not for related to the loop. So this loop is going to drop the numbers by 1. What this f is doing? We are calculating whether it is a factor or not. We are checking. If this condition is satisfied, then only we are doing this. If this condition is not satisfied, we are not doing this. So it is an independent statement of for loop, because internally it is going to check some condition. When the condition is true, then only fifth line will execute. If the condition is false, fifth line won't execute. But I loop, whether the condition is true or false, so in this line I values keep on incrementing, right? Okay. Yeah, second approach you can leave, sir, because in the recursion part I will explain in detail. There is a separate chapter is
Can you
there.
explain the
where I will
14 line second approach?
Mhm.
Sir, 14 line written prime versus
We are calling recursively. We are calling recursively. Already a function is defined. Same function again we are calling by passing the same number, and that value I am going to decrement. Means what? When we are calling first time n and half of the n value we are submitting, right? We will check that half number, is it 1 or is it divisible? If it is 1, it is a prime number. If it is divisible, it is not a prime number. If it is not 1 and if it is not divisible, means we need to check next layer also. For that we are going to return same prime number function, same number I am calling, but previously we verified with I, right? Now we will check one less value, I minus 1, whether it is going to be satisfied or not. Like this we have to do. Sir, don't worry, in the
Thank you,
recursion
sir.
I will explain in detail, sir. Right. Sir, just 1 second, please wait. Please wait. Right. Sir, some people are asking, sir, can you please elaborate that 14th line? Sir, I already told we are going to discuss this in detail in the recursion. Okay, we will discuss it there. Okay. No, sir, we will talk about this prime factorization. Okay, and these things later. So let us take this one first. 26th program. What is this program? All divisors of n. We have to find out if you are giving any number, we need to find out all the divisors of n. For example, consider enter n value. Okay, and so the divisors which numbers are divisible by this particular number we have to call. So I am not going to use any other versions. Divisors function I am going to take. So def divi yes or divisors which is taking n. Sir, initially I am taking an empty list and I will check for I in the range of 1 to n plus 1. I am going to check is that number is divisible with I. If it is divisible with I, it is the divisor, right? Then I am going to append that number into the list. At the last we are going to return the value of list. If I am giving the number as a 10, sir, which are divisors of 10? 1, 2, 5, 10 like this. If I am giving 20, 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20. If I am giving 30, 1, 2, 3, 5, 10, 10 like this we are going to get. So for this number which are divisors, it is going to print that total list, sir. Okay, I think you people got very clear clarity about this. Can you please confirm, is this concept is clear for you people? How to calculate divisors, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, please confirm everyone, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Could you explain one
Yes,
more
sir.
time, sir?
Sir, it is a very simple program, sir. We are checking the divisors of this number. That means suppose if you have a number, is equal to 10, so this 10 is the number, right? For this which are divisible, we have to check. So we need to take all the numbers up to this 10. And how you can know whether it is divisible or not? You need to divide with I. So that is 10 divided by with 1. If remainder is 0, then it is divisible. Here remainder will become 0. Here remainder is not 0. Remainder is not 0. Remainder is 0. Remainder is not 0. Remainder is not 0. Not 0. Not 0. Here remainder is 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 divisors are we are going to get. Like this we will get. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Right. Right. So
Sir-
that's all
sir,
about
one doubt.
today's session. Yeah.
That won't be applicable for a large number, right?
Mhm.
Suppose if you take a very big value, suppose say 1,000 or something, it
Mhm.
keeps running for a lot of time, right?
Definitely.
Okay, even if you take it for a larger numbers.
Yes,
okay.
it will work, sir.
Yeah, okay.
But definitely time taking process. So that's what I told. Depending on the algorithm also, depending on the input also, the efficiency of algorithm is going to be depend. In the beginning examples itself, I told, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is completely depending on the input size, sir.
Yeah, okay. Thank you.
Right. Okay, sir. I will upload the running notes within a few minutes. We will discuss remaining things in the tomorrow's session. Thank you.
Can you please add me in WhatsApp group, sir?
Yeah, sir. The people who are not there in the WhatsApp group, please ping me again. I will add it today. Okay, please ping me again. So my number is 7386237319. Simply the people are telling, sir, hi, add me in group. So I need your email ID, your name, and your batch details. Then only I will forward that message to admin team. Once if they give confirmation, I will add you. Okay, I request everyone to please provide your name, your registered email ID, and then batch also. Okay, DSA with Python at 8 p.m. like this. You need to provide all the details. Okay, right. So thank you, sir. We will meet for the continuation tomorrow.
Sir, have you started your programming logic batch?
Yeah, it is started already. It is going, sir.
Okay, so
At
why,
7
I mean,
o'clock.
when was the first lecture?
Already it is started, sir. Yesterday only first class got this. Okay, I will share that video and the registration link. The people who are willing to continue, you can.
And timing is, sir?
Timing is 7 before this batch only. This is the video. And it is best course, sir. I request everyone, those who are willing to continue, you can join into this because it is a beautiful course what we have. With this, you are going to get efficiency in the programming.
अभी आया है बिल्कुल latest.
Right. Right, sir. Thank you. See you tomorrow.
Thanks.